So what's up guys, we are back again with another beautiful video. So in this video today I'm going to show you the right way and the only profitable way how to trade boom and crash. So if you've been craving for this, or if you've been craving for how for a strategy how to kill boom and crash, this is the right video for you guys. So as you can see on my screen, there is candlesticks, boom 1000. As you can see, these are spikes, and smaller candlesticks. These are candlesticks. So these are spikes, guys. So today I'm gonna show you. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to trade boom, and second of all, I'm gonna show you how to trade crash. Okay. So without wasting time, let's talk about boom. As you can see, I'm in boom 1000. So guys, you can see these are spikes and these are small candlesticks going down. So the strategy of trading boom and crash, if you are trading boom, you should not go against the spike, or if you are trading crash, don't go against the spike. So with what I mean, guys, in boom, the spike goes up, it spikes, while in crash, it crashes, like it falls. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is crash, and it crash. The spike goes down, while in boom, spike goes up. Okay, and the strategy I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you today, right? The biggest spike spike catcher ever. All you need to do, if this strategy doesn't need any experience, it needs it's only mental health and mental psychology. So refresh your mind, back up, log off, log on, log back. Okay. First of all, if you want to catch spikes on boom, you can even count these spikes, these smaller candlesticks. Like if the candlesticks are going down or falling, you can count this candlestick. You can count up to the minimum of 30 candlesticks. And if you count these candlesticks, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30. As you can see, if you count 30 and then the spike did not occur, means take your loss. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay, as you can see, this is 30 candlestick, and give it 10 more candlestick, guys. If you count 30 candlestick, you can give it 10 more candlestick. And also, all you need to do, it depends on the level where the market is. You can see this is the 10th candlestick or the 30th candlestick. Give it more, 10 more, and then you can buy this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you give it 10 more and then you enter here, if you enter here at this level, when this spikes occur, you will be in profit, guys. And the aim is only to catch one spike. One spike is enough, guys. The game is over. Okay. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. And the stop loss, you can put the stop loss below 15 candlesticks. Okay. And if you can even hold this spike, guys, as long as the stop loss must be below the low of the previous spike. You can see your spike is down here, your sell is down here, the stop loss is down here, and then your entry is here, and then it spikes, you are in profit, and then next spike you'll be in bigger profit, and then you can correct your profit guys here. That's how we trade boom and crash. That's the boom. Let's check on this one also. As you can see here, the spike occurs, and then you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 8 is here. Give it 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is here, and then your entry will be here. Stop loss below 15 candlesticks. Spike, you're out. Okay, there's a 100% strategy how to beat this boom and crash. All you need to know is count also the levels, mental psychology. That's all it needs, guys. Okay, let's go on crash, especially crash 1000. This is the beautiful crash I ever traded, guys. So, and this crash makes money. As you can see here, you can count from here, like 30 candlesticks. Then you can enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. 30 is here. Then you can give it 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your entry will be here. Stop loss below. Okay. So you can see entries here. Then the spike occurs, you're in profit. And then you can even hold for 1 spike more. Profit in. That's the right way how to trade spike. But guys, I'm recommending you don't go against the spike. If you are in crash, don't buy crash. If you are in boom, don't sell boom. Because when this spike occurs, like let me say you were here because you feel like the bulls had more powerful, and the market gonna buy because it's taken away by bulls, so it's market being controlled by bulls. Then you enter here as a buy, and then you hold. You are in profit here. And then when this spike occurs like within a second, guys, you're gonna lose a lot of money. You're gonna lose your money, guys. Don't do it. If you are in crash, don't sell. Don't buy crash. If you are in buy, don't sell. That's the type strategy, guys. Imagine you are here. You just started selling crash here. I mean boom here. Because you feel like it's gonna sell. And then when this spike occurs in seconds, you are out. Probably when this one the second spike occurs, you're out. You are taken out. Maybe you break up your account, maybe you're even trading a small account. So guys, don't do it. There's the right way how to trade boom and crash, guys. If there's anything you need to know, or if there's something that I missed, guys, feel free, comment, let me know in the comment section below. And also do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys.